Hello everybody and welcome back to another episode of Facts with Boom. I'm your host, Boom the Railway Cat, and today's facts are for Stevenage, so let's begin. Stevenage station is on the East Coast Main Line, 27 miles, 45 chains, 44.4 kilometres down the line from London King's Cross. The station is served by Thameslink, Great Northern, London North Eastern Railway and Hull trains on Sundays. The three-letter code is SVG. The station is managed by Great Northern. It has 5 platforms, 2 southbound, 2 northbound, and then a terminus platform for Great Northern services. Stevenage is a new town and borough in the county of Hertfordshire. In 2019/2020, the station was used by 4.634 million people. And one more thing, I've noticed that only 18% of you are subscribed, so please hit that big red button and subscribe, because it's free and it helps me and it makes me happy. So thanks again for listening to this episode of Facts with Boom, and remember to stay at home.